Let's talk about the 3 biggest lies you are probably telling yourself about your diet and why that is the exact reason you are staying stuck and spinning your wheels, trying over and over again. Lie number 1, I know what to do, I just need to do it. So why aren't you? Knowledge isn't the problem. Following through with it and doing it consistently, that's what's got you stuck. Knowing what you need to do probably isn't working for you, or you are following a plan that is so restrictive you cannot stick to it for longer than 3 days. 1200 calorie diet, no carbs, this, that. It's no fun, it's no life, and it's no way to live being a parent. Lie number 2, I don't eat that badly. What that loosely translates to is you have not got a clue what you're eating. Those little bites off your kids' plates when they're done with dinner, those snacks in the morning, snacks at the office, wherever you're working, those takeaways at weekends or that odd glass of wine, they all add up. I'm not saying to avoid them, it's just you've got to bear in mind they do add into your calorie intake, and that not so bad diet is keeping you exactly where you are. Lie number 3, I just need to be more motivated. Nope, that's not it either. You need structure, you need accountability, and you need support. You also need a plan that fits around your life rather than taking over it. You see, motivation is a feeling, and feelings are unreliable, they come and go. So you need to have that plan dialed in that fits around your circumstances, all your commitments with kids, with work, etc., etc. And you've probably told yourself these lies, and that's the exact reason why you've started over 100 times in the past. So if you want to stop starting over, it's time to get honest. It's time to do things a little differently. And if you're a parent over the age of 30, you are exactly who we help on a day-to-day basis. Start feeling energized again. Enjoy life more. Feel confident. Start thriving without it taking over, without any food guilt, without saying no to absolutely everything. It is possible. Come find out. Drop me a message, check out all our socials, watch another video. And when you're ready, come work with us.